tuzeeko mu cockpit ya Dreamliner Boeing 787. Tuzeemu ne muwala wange. The captain is super friendly. He just let us in.
There you go.
Yeah, Crystal is super excited.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Crystal, ready? And I'll get you in. So you're going to come in over here on this side right here. All right, here you go. Come over here. There you go, right there. Give you a little more room there.
Wow. This is a great experience for her. It is our first time to fly. So
please come over here.
Yeah. Thank you. Nga tuli mu cockpit.
Don't worry about
Ne
that.
Crystal wuuyo.
Do you want me to hold your stuff?
787 American airline. We flew from Los Angeles, California, LAX. We are in Philadelphia.
Let me give her a little bit of light.
Our cup. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know what? It's very easy. You just got to study hard and you can do this. You can fly airplanes. You can fly all over the world. Did you like sitting here? My last trip, we had a female pilot. I asked her, how'd you get started? She goes, well, they said they would pick my brother up.
Yeah.
And I said, can I go? They said, no, honey, we'll show you how to be a flight attendant. She's like, I want to go up there. So she came up here.
Yeah.
She became a pilot.
Wow.
So you being willing to come up here, good job.
She wants to become a space scientist.
Even better.
Yeah, she traveled with her telescope. We have it behind there. Very huge. It wouldn't fit in the suitcase, so we carried it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Take care.
Merry Christmas.
Bye guys,
Bye.
take care.
Take care. Yeah, eno party ya business. Dreamliner mpozi etuulamu capacity y'abantu. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah,
You got your bag?
Let's
Make sure.
Yeah. Etuulamu capacity. Ebejjudde tu capacity etuulamu abantu 290. Eno party ya premium economy eri emabega ya business gye tusookedde wano era nga tugenda kupiikinga ensawo yaffe ennyonyi nnene gye nasoose emabega nagibalazeeko nabalaga emabegako eyali Boeing 737 ebeerayo ntono ddala nabalagako ne Airbus A330 naye ebeera nnene naye obunene bwayo obunene bwayo eno ro zitera kubeera bbiri okuva ku dinisa ne wano 3 n'eri bbiri naye ate 777 Boeing 777 yo nnene okusingira ddala eyo omukisa gwe tufunye gubadde gw'amaanyi okugenda mu cockpit. Captain abadde mulungi, mwana wange n'agendayo era ekirabo kya Christmas. Mpozi Dreamliner kyenjimanyiiko endabirwamu zaako tezirina buntu bwa kusika. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Buntu bwa kusika za tinti onyega switch tinti najja mubeere bulungi. Era Dreamliner n'ekirala eri environmentally friendly. Mukyo ntegeeza bagikola nga eri friendly eri environment. Details ezo nyiza obutazoogerako kakati. Nungi nnyo. Mpozi ennyonyi eyagala ogifaanaganamu mu famire ya Airbus bagiyita A350. Zaagala ofaanaganamu lwakuba yeeri so beautiful A350 era buli wengirangi bagambako nagipostingako kagituulamu omulundi gumu ne Qatar Airlines dda omwaka gwali 2018 nga tugenda HL Uganda. Kanji balabiko wano wabweru gye tugiddemu. Moment please. High reflection y'amaiso gagula naye njagibalagako olala. Mubeere bulungi. Mukama abankuumire. Philadelphia kye kisaawe kye tuliko kuva LAX Los Angeles California. Flight etutwalidde essaawa kyenkana 5 kwegamba obunene bw'olugendo obulaba obunene bwa America nsi emu naye nga tulinga abagenda ewalala. Dreamliner yiiyo bwetyo weefaanana. What a beauty mu famire ye Boeing American Airline exactly eyo gye tugiddeko era muwala wange mu cockpit mwe tubadde abadde super excited n'ebigambo ne bimuggwako. Mubeere bulungi mukama abankuumire mbaagala nnyo. Josby Joseph ng'emanya Earth Explorers ye kampani gye nkiikirira A330 nayo nja gibalaga munda 300 mweraba.